What's going on, y'all? We checking out those onion burgers today. And hey, you know if we checking them out, we gotta make one. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you.
The hamburger is, I feel, a badge, almost a symbol of everything that makes America so wonderful. And if you make that an onion burger where Route 66 and Highway 81 or the Old Chisholm Trail intersect, you got yourself a famous style onion burger at the crossroads of America at a place called Sid's Diner.
Got a lot of history here, and that old onion burger, it just stayed famous. I mean, people love them.
I'm not gonna lie, I love them too, y'all. First time I tried one, my cousin made them, and I was like, man, you know I love onions, and man, them onions make that burger taste good. I gotta get this recipe down. But anyway, let's get back to it, y'all. Let's get back to it.
A big reason for that is this man, Marty Hall. He's been in the restaurant business for 50 years, and he built Sid's in 1989.
To me, this is what I would call a traditional diner, and a diner is where the food is prepared in front of the customer. And what I enjoy about it is, you know, when I'm on the grill, I can turn around, I can talk to people, and people can talk to the owner, you know, and I really enjoy that.
And the customers love it too.
Now, if you don't know, I stay here in St. Louis, Missouri. We used to have a diner here called Courtesy Diner. Me and my wife used to go over there, get us some breakfast, and they would cook right in front of us, and we'd have conversations back and forth. It was just a good time all the way around. I really enjoyed it. I hate that they didn't close their doors. And in my opinion, we really need places like this where you can go every day, you get to know everybody, and you really enjoy yourself, and you enjoy actually having that a part of your neighborhood. I think it's an important part of any neighborhood. But anyway.
First time you see him, you'll like him, and he'll always be your friend, and he'll do anything in the world for you.
Marty does love meeting and visiting with people, but he also wants to make you the best onion burger you've ever had. I asked what makes his onion burger so delicious.
I use what I call an 80-20 ground beef, Spanish yellow onions that are sliced just as paper thin as you can get them. The spatulas we use to make them, I make them. I don't buy them, I make them.
Yeah, y'all heard that right. He make his own spatula, y'all. You know why he gotta do that? It's because he needs a very heavy spatula. When he cooks the burger, he has to smash that onion into that ground beef for that tasty burger to be complete. But anyway.
Yes, he even makes his own spatulas. But there's a certain technique in cooking the burgers, the smashing down of the onions, knowing exactly when to flip them, toasting the buns, and it's all done on this incredibly seasoned grill. But it still comes down to the food being cooked in front of everyone. And don't forget, Sid's also serves an outstanding breakfast, but the onion burgers are the stars.
Well, it's big, and it has lots of onions, and it's always cooked really well. So you have to try it. If you come to El Reno, you have to try it because it's good.
Well, we come here for the food, of course, number one, and then also when you come in here, you always see people that you maybe haven't seen for a while, so that's nice too.
I like the hamburger. The onion burger is fantastic. I don't like a lot of hamburgers, but I love this hamburger.
People from all over the world have eaten at Sid's, and not only is the food great, it's about tradition and being a part of history.
You know, I've been doing this 50 years, you know, and I love El Reno, my hometown.
So yeah, y'all, that's that onion burger. And we gonna make it. We gonna make it, y'all. If you've never tried an onion burger, definitely catch my next video so you can see exactly how to make one. They so tasty, especially if you're an onion lover like me. You will love these burgers. But anyway, look for this video to come out in about a week or two. And we gonna eat some tasty onion burgers. But as always, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.